What's up, guys? How are y'all doing today? So I just got up and I'm wearing my Corvette hat. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go downstairs right now. How are you doing?
Hey!
What are you making?
How's buddy boy?
Making?
What do you think I'm making?
Waffles?
I thought you might like some waffles on Sunday morning.
Well, yeah, they've got.
What?
They want me because I do phone, I do internet and TV with them, so I may have to, but if I don't get this resolved, but they promised to email me in 4 days, and 4 to 6 business days, and I haven't heard from them.
Holly.
Oh, well, I should, because they always ask for their feedback and stuff. Anyway, I'll have another bill for sure.
Hey, you like the stairs, don't you, Holly? You like the stairs, don't you, Holly? I think I'm gonna trim my drone right now. Okay, so we're just trimming the drone right now. My dad's put the guard back on. Is that what the guards are for? To fall off when it hits something?
Protect the propellers.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, here we go. We're gonna trim the drone. Whoa.
Bring it back over here.
What?
Bring it back over here.
Sure. Go ahead.
You bring it back over here.
Jesus, Dad, you hit the cat! Oh, Dad! Jesus Christ. I'm so tired right now. Oh, I gotta pass out for a bit. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. What the heck? Okay, so I think I'm gonna do, take a look at my nice Corvette model I have. It's so cool, I love my vet. See? And watch this. See? My remote control vet is not working right now. Well, the engine's working, just it won't go forward, so I have to give it to my grandma right now, see if she can take it back to get it fixed, or she'll just give me a new one. Here's this remote control. I got one question for you all. What are those? I got one question for you.
Door.
What are those?
Door.
What? Did you get my question? Go, do it again. What are those? Dad, what are those?
I don't know.
You don't know? I was pointing at it like, what are those? You don't know what they are? Oh my God.
Door.
Dad, Ryan needs you.
For what?
Just come upstairs.
No, what? Down here. What are you doing?
Dad, Ryan needs you. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take another look at my vat right now. See? Okay, so I'm just playing some Roblox right now. I'm recording.
Here, record it like this.
Oh, really? Not falling for that. I know what you're doing. So I'm pretty much going to wrap that up for today's vlog. So if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. So I'm pretty much going to wrap that up for today's vlog. So if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a new video every day. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a like, slap that like button. And so yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. There we go. Bye for now.